Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we poured a 40 by 60 slab and Keith had asked me if I would come out and run the hose on the concrete boom truck. I was like, never done that before. But I actually had a lot of fun and I didn't even have to get a workout in. I was able to get the whole thing on time lapse and it turned out really good. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below if you would like to see the full build process. This next part, Keith is power troweling and he gets that slab absolutely perfect. That's a wrap. That slab came out absolutely perfect. And if you guys have any questions on concrete or our concrete equipment like the laser screed, drop them in the comments down below and we will try to answer them in the next concrete video. Thanks for watching and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.